So as you all have seen, you can make some pretty life-changing money from the TikTok Shop affiliate program. But the problem is nobody's making tutorials on how to get in because they don't want you to get in. They see you as competition. They see you as somebody who's going to steal their earnings and steal their views. But I don't really care about that. I believe that we should all have the opportunity to make money on here, and I believe that we all can make money on here. So regardless of what other people think, I'm going to make this video. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate, but that's okay. But I do want to start off by saying there's two methods to get into this program. The original method that TikTok Shop intended for, at least we all believe, was the 5,000 follower method. That's you need 5,000 followers, you apply, and you get in. The second method, it's a little bit newer, and it's one way that you can do it without having 5,000 followers. You can do it with a 0 follower account. That's the method I'm going to be showing you guys today, but I want to preface it by saying people are saying that TikTok Shop is going to crack down on these accounts and they're going to start suspending or they're going to start banning them. Now, as of right now, my TikTok Shop account started with 0 followers, and just today I've made $700 and it's only my 5th day in the program. Okay, so hopefully since TikTok sees that we're making money on these accounts and we're making money for them, technically they'll end up leaving them. But if not, just be aware that people are saying that that's going to happen. But if you're okay with that, I'm going to walk you guys through how to set up your email, how to set up your username, how to come up with your username, and how to link your TikTok Shop account to your TikTok account. All of that's going to be in this video. Let's start off over here with the username. Coming up with your username is really important. Let's say you've already had a username in the past, or you already had a TikTok account in the past, but maybe it's not set up for your brand. Branding is going to be really important because eventually companies are going to want to reach out to you either through the email, either through inbox. There's going to be a few ways for them to reach out to you. So you want to have a good brand. Not only that, you want to have brand recognition for the customers. This will be more important down the line because let's say you get a viral video and you start selling a bunch of products. Those customers are going to want to remember your name for later on down the line. Let's say you come up on their For You page again, and maybe the first time your name was like TikTok Guider 37200 or something like that. Some weird name that they're not going to remember. Whereas let's say your username was something catchy like Deal Dasher or Deal Explorer, something simple, something that they can remember and something that they can kind of share with their friends. So coming up with your username is a little bit more important than you might think, because I know you might want to start off right away and just use whatever, but this is going to be important, especially down the line. So one way that you can do it is here on ChatGPT. You can just search this up in Google, search ChatGPT, and it'll bring you to a page where you can log in or create your account. It is free, so you can do it that way. But as you can see, I've typed in, give me 20 simple 2-word TikTok Shop usernames having to do with either shopping, products, deals, etc. Prioritize words that start with the same letter. Having words that start with the same letter, this is just going to go with the flow of the username, make it a little bit easier to remember and a little easier for the customer to see. So we're going to click enter on that and let's see what it gives us. So we've got Shop Savvy, Deal Dreams, Bargain Bazaar, Product Picks, Fashion Finds, 10 Trades, Discount Duo, the list goes on. You can go through these, you can use these as inspiration. If you find one of these that you like, I'm going to show you guys how to check on TikTok if it's available. So let's come over here to my TikTok. Now we're on the phone. This is my Rich Input account. We're going to click on Edit Profile. You're going to be brought to this page. Here on this page, you're going to click on Username. And then from here, you're going to delete your current username. You're not going to save it, just delete it for now. And pick the name that you came up with. So we came up with Shopper Saver. So let's see. We've got the 2 S's at the start of the word, and you can see the green check mark at the right. You can see that it is available. So we're going to cancel this because we don't want to change our username on here unless you do. But we're going to create a completely new account. So now that we know Shopper Saver is available, we're going to head over to Google. We're going to type in create a new Gmail account. The reason why we want to do this is going back to having those brand recognitions. Let's say people start reaching out to you and they want your email. The best thing to do is to have an email that is closely related to your username. So we're going to create a TikTok Gmail account. So we're going to create a Gmail account that goes with your TikTok username. Hopefully that made sense. Let's go here. We're going to click on create an account. We'll be brought to this page here where you can now see if your username is available. So we're going to click create account. For my personal use or for your work or business, you can choose which one applies to you. We're going to click personal. First name, we're going to do Ruben. put your birthday. Mine is October 31st. Okay. And then choose gender. And then you're gonna put your username. So I've gone through this and I've seen that Shopper Saver on its own is not available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Shopper Saver and 2 T's for TikTok. So Shopper Saver TikTok at gmail.com. So then we'll come here, we'll create our password. You can make it obviously whatever you want. Okay, and now that you have your password, go ahead and click next. And you can add a recovery email if you'd like, or you can click skip. We'll skip it for now. And you can see that now we have our email that is closely aligned to our future TikTok. We're going to click next on there, do all of this, agree, confirm. So now that we've created our email, we're going to head over here to the phone on TikTok. And on here, you can either choose use phone or email or continue with Google. We're just going to choose with email. So we're going to put your birthday. You're going to put all this information on there. And then you're going to click next. So let's do that. You're going to put your email address. So ours was Shopper Saver TT at Gmail. Put that in. And then now you can put your password. Okay, and then click next. Here you can put in your nickname. So we're going to put Shopper space Saver. And now we've got our new account here. I don't like that it put the dot on there. So let's see if we can change that. Shopper Saver. Okay, so we're going to change that so that we don't have the period. And now that you've got that set up, you're going to download the Seller Center for TikTok. Okay, and then you're going to come here. You're going to click login with TikTok. And then if you're already logged into the account that we just created, it's going to want to link both of those. So I just want you to click authorize. You can read through that if you'd like. You're going to click authorize. It's going to say couldn't find your account. And then you're going to click sign up, because now we're going to sign up with the TikTok account we just created to become a seller. Okay. You're going to confirm that as long as you're okay with it. And then you're going to put in the same email address. Okay. So we're going to go over to put in the same one that we just created. Once you've got in the email, you're going to click send a code. Now go back to your email on your screen or wherever you had it, and you're going to see you got a new code. So you can just copy that, and then you're going to paste it over here. Paste it there. And now we are logged into the Seller Center for TikTok. So now we're going to scroll down. We're going to get started. And then you're going to fill this out however it is for you. If you're an individual, a sole proprietor, corporation, or partnership, I will fall under the sole proprietor, so I will click that. Okay, so then here we'll be brought to the next page. This is going to be your shop details. You'll go ahead and put in the shop name. We'll keep it as Shopper Saver. Next is going to ask you to put primary product or service. This doesn't necessarily matter, so I just went ahead and put phones and electronics. And then it's going to ask you to secure sign up. It'll tell you to put in your phone number and verify the code that's sent to that phone number. And then after you do that, I won't show the next page as well, just because that one's going to have all the information that you put in, and you're going to have to review it, make sure that it's all correct, and then you're going to submit. Okay, now you're going to come back to the home page, and here on the home page, you'll see that your register your business is now either green with a check mark, or it's going to show up blue with the little time clock. So that means that they're still going to be reviewing your stuff. Usually it doesn't take too long unless there was a mistake or they need more information. So like mine, now it's 12:22 a.m. for me. It took about 3 hours for them to review the documents I had to resubmit, but now I have the green check mark. You then also have to complete the tax information that's right underneath. I've already done that. You can just do that based on your tax information, so I don't need to show that part. But now this is where it gets really important. This is a really cool and the most satisfying part. So you're going to go over to your settings on the bottom right. From here, you're going to see in the middle of the screen, it says linked TikTok accounts. You're going to click on that. You're going to click on official account here. And then you're going to click link official account here at the bottom. And you should already be logged into that account that you were on. And you will see that it says this TikTok account has not completed the identity verification. So from here, you're going to go back onto your TikTok, and then you're going to come onto the notification inbox area, and you will see that there you have a notification from TikTok Shop. From here, you're going to click on that, and you're going to complete your identity verification stuff. So I'll go ahead and do that for myself. You do that for yourself. All right, so once you've submitted your identity verification, you'll get this notification from TikTok. It should say it was successful. Congratulations, you can now sell products in Showcase videos and live on TikTok. So now we're going to go back into our Seller Central. Let's close that out, and then we're going to click link official account one more time, and everything should be green check marks ready to go. Things you need to know, you can read that through. We're going to go ahead and agree, and now we're going to link official account, and there we go. Congratulations, your official TikTok has been linked. So we're going to click continue, and then we are going to open up TikTok one more time. And from here, you want to make sure you add a high quality picture. So we will go ahead and just add that real quick. Now you want to also add a bio, because this is important, because you want to tell TikTok that you're not just some random spam account or something. You want to put something that makes sense. So for ours, we'll just put helping shoppers save, and that should be good for now. And now when you come over here onto your second tab, it will show a TikTok or a shopping account. So shop tab coming soon. So actually you're gonna have to give it a second and give it about 5 to 10 minutes, and then it'll pop up on there. Okay, now once you come over to the second tab, you're going to see it says TikTok Shop. If you click on TikTok Shop, this is where you're going to see all of the information that you need to see your analytics, how much you've earned, stuff like that. You can just click continue on there. And from here, whenever you want to start looking for products, you're going to click on either product marketplace, or once you start adding products to your marketplace, you can also see them on your shop. To manage and see your earnings, you're going to click there on your earnings. Then from here, you can see your affiliate orders once you start getting some in. Keep in mind, if you want to see your earnings from today's date, whatever date that is for you, you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to click today's date plus tomorrow's date. That's going to show you exactly what you're making today. Otherwise, it shows you yesterday's only. It doesn't let you see today's, which is kind of strange. Another place that you can see it is once you start getting orders. If you click here on the top where it says view your video analytics, from here you're going to be able to see the 7-day results, yesterday results, or today's results. This one will be up to date. The data is up to date. Usually within 5 minutes or so, everything gets input into here. So right as you get a sale, within 5 minutes, you're going to see it on here. Okay. Next, also really important. Let's just show you a quick example here. Let's say that we like this oil here. So if you click on it, you're going to see how much commission it shows there on the top left. If you want it, if you're going to end up buying it, you can click on add showcase. So we'll click to add to showcase there. Okay, well done. We'll just click not now. Next, we're going to go back. And now let me just show you guys a quick example here. We'll record a quick video here. Zooming in, look at this nice mouse. So cool. Next, we're going to go check. And from here, this is the most important part, guys. This is where you're going to make your money. So you want to make sure you do this. It's super, super, super important. You're going to click add link. You're going to click product here. And then you're going to see the product that you added to your showcase right here. If for whatever reason you didn't add it or you forgot to, you can click on the bottom here, add more products. You can click on product marketplace, and then you can search for the product that you want and see if it's on there. But because we do have it, we're going to go ahead and click add. Click add on there one more time. So Guru Nanda Cocoa Mint Oil. So you want to make sure you put it in all caps. Guru Nanda Cocoa Mint Oil. And as you can see, having it in all caps is really good because you want it to stand out for the customer. Here you can just click agree and post. It's not going to actually post your video yet, so don't be worried about that if you haven't put a title or anything. Just click agree and post. And now if you click here on the top right, you'll be able to see an example of what it would look like. And you can see having it on the bottom left in all caps, it makes it a lot more noticeable to the customer than if it was in lowercase. So I usually like to just change it to all caps. Then you can come back, make sure one more time that it is already on there. The link is ready to go. You can add your title, whatever. I love this. You can put your hashtags, TikTok shop, stuff like that about the product. You can put your hashtags, hashtag beauty finds. Anyways, yeah, beauty finds, whatever. And then you go and post it. And once your video is posted, you can click here on the left. It'll show up on there. Now, because I discarded it, it's not going to show up. Otherwise, it will show up there normally. But here's the thing. If you guys want to see my real results within the 24 hours so you can see what you could expect, go ahead and click on this video here and you'll see that there.